WINGBO Ceiling Fan with lights. Real results. Finally cooling my 500 square feet room without noise.
Picture this. It's 2 a.m., you're staring at the ceiling, sweating through your sheets while that old wobbly fan rattles like it's about to take off. Sound familiar? Type same if Sunday nights still feel like a sauna. I was right there with you until everything changed.
That sticky, heavy air that clings to your skin, the constant drone keeping you half awake, the guilt every time the power bill shows up. Yeah, it sucks. But stay with me for just 30 more seconds, because what if you could flip one switch and take back control, without noise, without drama?
Here's what happened when I hung the WINGBO ceiling fan with lights in my great room. 6 perfectly pitched blades started moving massive air silently, like actually silent, under 30 decibels. The DC motor kicked in so smooth I had to look up to make sure it was running. Then I grabbed the remote, dimmed the light from bright daylight 6,000 Kelvin down to cozy 3,000 Kelvin in seconds, and suddenly everything clicked. My buddy Ryan, a graphic designer, almost missed a massive deadline because his office felt like a greenhouse and his old fan sounded like a helicopter. He installed the WINGBO ceiling fan with lights that night at 2 a.m., hit speed 4, dropped the light to warm, and finished the project in total comfort. That's when reversible winter mode, 8-hour timer, and outdoor damp rating all became real-life superpowers instead of bullet points. Here's the part that still blows my mind. This 64-inch fan moves more air than fans I've seen at twice the price, yet uses up to 70% less energy. An energy analyst I follow literally said DC motors like this are the biggest no-brainer upgrade most homeowners are sleeping on. At Grayson Texas messaged me last week. My patio went from unbearable to my favorite spot. Zero noise, perfect light for dinners. I'll be real. I hesitated because WINGBO who? But after seeing it run flawlessly for months in heat, humidity, and even light rain on covered porches, all while looking stupidly good in charcoal gray, yeah, brand snob in me is quiet now. Installation? 2 people, 75 minutes, no swearing. That's why thousands of us won't shut up about the WINGBO ceiling fan with lights right now. Keep watching. I need to show you something wild I discovered on Speed 6. So here's the deepest win. You walk into your room, hit one button on the remote, and instantly feel that perfect cool breeze wrap around you, while the light is exactly the mood you want. No noise, no fuss, just pure comfort. Join the thousands of us already sleeping better, entertaining easier, and smiling at lower bills. I dropped my affiliate link in the description. No pressure at all. Just click, check it out for yourself. If the WINGBO ceiling fan with lights is for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. See you on the inside.